County in northeastern Illinois until 8:15 p.m. At 7:39 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located over Cary, Willow, and Antioch, and were moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mattawa, Oakwood Hills, Wakanda, Fox River Grove, Port Barrington, Fox Lake, Hawthorne Woods, Round Lake Beach, Haynesville, Pistakee Highlands, Grave Lake, Gurnee, Channel Lake, Tower Lakes, Round Lake Heights, eastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois. At 30 miles per hour. For your protection. Source. Oakwood Hills, Wakanda, Fox River Grove.
Garden.
Round Lake Beach, River Grove, Port Gurnee, Channel Lake, Tower Lakes, Round Lake Heights, Vernon Hills, Buffalo Grove, Libertyville, Russell, Wadsworth, Volo, Round Lake, Long Lake, Third Lake, and Lake Catherine. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.